Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin with our Practical Hakka, and our phrase of the month is What's wrong? 怎么了？怎么说？
用的黑毛，
用的黑毛。可是今天我们还是要伤心，
伤心那就变成用的黑毛。
Oh, that's right. We're all teaching you how to say what's wrong, and today we're still going to dwell on a sad subject of what's wrong. 用的黑毛 that has to do with love. 跟爱有关，大家常常都要烦恼的东西就是失恋啦，然后要哭啦，然后要散心这样子啦，对不对？好 How about having breakups? Those are always traumatizing, and so you might cry. How do you say cry? 哭？
丢子，
哭就是丢子。
那海陆腔咬记
又要咬人家了。
没有，那不敢。
All right, that's a different way of saying cry in Hakka. Now, let's say you've just broken up recently and you must be very broken-hearted. 失恋怎么说？失恋 Okay, that's very simple. 失恋 that means I'm out of love. I have broken up already. And when you're broken-hearted, one of the best remedies is actually to go out and relax and just chill. Okay, 有的时候我们要出去就是散散心。
对啊。
虽然它不见得可以让你痊愈，但是呢，它绝对是一个很好的方法。
可以忘掉。
对 How do you say 散心 Just to relax, to feel better.
三行
Okay, that's just to relax, to feel better. Even if you're in a stressful situation, 其实也不一定要失恋，可能压力很大啦，工作压力很大，要出去散散心，也是一样可以这样讲。三行 Okay, let's make a phrase out of one of these vocabulary. How about cry? Let's go back to 哭好了。
好，
因为我们看到人家哭，通常就是会问你怎么了？为什么哭 Right? What's wrong with you? Why are you crying?
用的黑毛
That's 你怎么了嘛 Right?
用voi丢子
Okay, that means why are you crying? 丢子就是 cry. 然后用voi 为什么 Now let's review all these terms so you can remember them. To cry 丢子 Then you're heartbroken 失恋 And to relax or to go out and just chill and feel better 散心 And it's all about what's wrong 你怎么了
用的黑毛
那希望大家失恋呢赶快走出阴霾对不对然后呢再找下一个更好的人
下一个会更好
Yeah, remember that. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎
俺只say 张磊了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.